Gather. Gather. Where use? When people come together. Example sentence. Friends gather in the living room before midnight. Decorate. Decorate. Where use? Making a place look festive. Example sentence. They decorate the house with lights and balloons. Dress up. Dress up. Where use? Wearing special clothes. Example sentence. Everyone dresses up for the New Year party. Welcome. Welcome. Where use? Greeting guests. Example sentence. She welcomes everyone at the door. Chat. Chat. Where use? Talking casually. Example sentence. People chat and catch up before dinner. Toast. Toast. Where use? Raising glasses. Example sentence. They toast to a fresh start. Sip. Sip. Where use? Drinking slowly. Example sentence. He sips his drink and enjoys the moment. Snack. Snack. Where use? Eating small food. Example sentence. Guests snack on chips and finger food. Cheer. Cheer. Where use? Showing excitement. Example sentence. Everyone cheers when a music starts. Dance. Dance. Where use? Moving to music. Example sentence. They dance to their favorite songs. Laugh. Laugh. Where use? Showing happiness. Example sentence. Friends laugh at silly party jokes. Count down. Count down. Where use? Counting seconds together. Example sentence. Everyone counts down from 10. Shout. Shout. Where use? Speaking very loudly. Example sentence. People shout Happy New Year. Celebrate. Celebrate. Where use? Enjoying a special moment. Example sentence. They celebrate the start of the new year. Hug. Hug. Where use? Showing love or warmth. Example sentence. Friends hug and share good wishes. Which word will you use today? Comment below. Hit like if you learned something and subscribe for daily vocab wins.